Welcome! Today we will be covering lab safety. These are the following safety topics that we will cover in our Earth Science lab safety slides. We will be covering dress code, general lab safety, personal conduct, fieldwork safety, chemicals, proper use of equipment, emergency procedures, and emergency equipment. At the end of this slideshow, you will have a short quiz and a safety contract that you will need to complete and return to your teacher. We will be doing many different things this year in the Earth Science Lab. You will get the chance to have some hands-on experience with rocks and minerals, as well as other earth materials. Within the lab, we will get to participate in Earth's processes on a much smaller scale. You will also be engaged with these processes of the earth, and you will get to have fun. Just like with any other science lab, the Earth Science Lab has a specific dress code that will make sure that everyone is safe. Students that have shoulder length hair or longer should tie it back when they are working. It's also a good idea to wear closed toe shoes to ensure that anything that is falling does not injure you. Your jewelry should be kept to a minimum. Anything that is dangling or baggy should be avoided. Goggles will also need to be worn when appropriate. Personal conduct. Students should all be behaving in a responsible manner when they are in the lab. Everyone should be following all verbal and written instructions to ensure accuracy and safety. Students should not use or touch any equipment that they have not been instructed to use or instructed how to use. Please clean up after yourself at the end of every lab. Make sure to leave your area the way that you would like it to be if you were coming into the lab. General lab safety. Please do not run at any point in time. Please do not eat or drink when you are in the lab. This will help you avoid ingesting anything that could be harmful to you. Keep your workspace neat and clean. Please read all directions and any chemical labels. Fieldwork safety. Fieldwork is any type of work that we do outside of the lab. This could be a field trip or a trip outside of the building to learn about Earth's processes. Please always stay with the group or with a buddy. Do not travel out on your own alone. Wear weather and field appropriate clothing. Make sure that you have proper gear. Use hammers and other tools with caution and only after being instructed by the teacher on how to use them. In the Earth Science Lab, we do not use many chemicals. However, if we do, it is important that you know how to use them. Chemicals can be dangerous if they are handled wrong. Please keep all lids and or caps securely on until ready to use. Close them after every use. This will ensure that no unnecessary spills occur. Always know what you are using. If you do not know what you are using, please ask. Use appropriate safety attire as needed. The teacher will demonstrate how to use the emergency safety equipment. The following emergency safety equipment are available for your use. We have an eye wash station and an emergency shower station. This will be demonstrated after the video. We will be using different equipment and tools throughout this school year. Students should ensure that all equipment that they are using is in good working order. If it does not appear to be in good working order, please report it to the teacher as soon as possible. Any equipment should only be used for the intended purposes. The teacher will demonstrate the proper techniques before students get a chance to work with any of the equipment or tools in the lab. In the event of an emergency, please remember to remain calm. Any slips, spills, broken equipment, or fires should be reported to the teacher immediately. Know where your emergency exits are and know where the fire extinguisher is. If you do not know how to use the fire extinguisher, the teacher will demonstrate the proper techniques. Never attempt to clean up any chemicals that have spilled. Please do not attempt to clean up any broken glass either. These are harmful and can hurt you. Please get the teacher and they will dispose of them properly.